Bonjour, I'm Tim.
I'm Karen.
And welcome to episode 4 of Living a French Life.
Recycle, reuse, repurpose. These are all ways that you can keep your restoration on budget.
And not only that, but a lot of times the things that you pull out of the old construction are of a much higher quality than what you can buy in the stores new today. It's mostly free. You just have your labor involved to get it ready to be reused again.
And I think a really good example of this are our floorboards that we're trying to keep.
Okay, so today I'm going to start pulling up the floors here on the premier etage, what in the United States we think of as the second floor. And I'm only going to do a few of them. I want to make sure that the beam that runs through the center of the house and holds up the entire floor is in good shape. I suspect that it is, but I just want to make sure that I've got a really good handle on what we're dealing with. I've got the boards off that are on the beam, and now I'm going to have to give it a sweep because there's an awful lot of stuff on there. Everything from rotted wood to dust to owl poop, and that's going to be something. So I'm actually going to mask up for this sweep. Now here's a bit of luck. Turns out the floor joists are pegged into the long crossbeam, so they're not going to be moving. You also might notice these Roman numerals. In old-time construction, each beam and post is cut for one specific place, so these Roman numerals are a way for the builder to keep track of which item goes where.
Today I'm going to be working on removing the nails from 400-year-old pine floorboards. So far I think I am 8 boards done and 372 to go. So we'll see how it is, and I'll show you my collection of nails when I finally get done. That was easy.
Mm-hmm. This wood's not as good as some of the other wood. Okay, I'll take this one up. It looks like something. Alright, that's good. That's more than a quarter. What do you say we call it 5/16?
The teardrops go in and the walls come out. Are you recording?
Yeah. As you know, Karen is an excellent nail puller. Well, I just finished up the boards on the premier etage, and she's out of town for a couple of days. So what do you say I see if I can get all those nails pulled for her? Harv always said, leave 15 minutes before quitting time to pick up your tools and clean up the job site. Saving money by reusing materials from the construction is always a good idea. But honey, what are we going to do with all that saved money?
Well, my thought is if we can save pennies here and there from certain projects without sacrificing craftsmanship or quality materials, then maybe we can apply them to our cooker.
Well, we almost had that one.
I know. It's a sore point. Someone bought it out from under me from Le Bon Coin. So perhaps maybe that's a sign that we're supposed to get the one we really want.
Okay.
The one that I really want, it's called an Esse Stove. It's a hybrid. So one oven and one hob are wood, and the other is electric. So you can use the stove both in the winter and in the summer. It's brilliant. It really is. But
one drawback.
Yeah, it costs like half the price of what our house was. And our house wasn't very much, but if you're thinking about a cooker, it's a lot.
Yeah, well, we'll see what we can do about that. Essie, if you're listening,
yes,
we could use a sponsorship.
Yes, there's no one in Southwest France that are promoting your product. We could be that couple. We can help.
All right, so join us next time on
Yes.
Living a French Life.
What are we doing next time?
We're going to visit Saint-Cirque-la-Popie.
Oh, it's
A
lovely.
lovely medieval village.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, it's so lovely we take everybody who comes to visit us
Yes.
there.
Yes, indeed.
And of course, we're going to continue on with work on the house. Who knows what it's going to be? We think it's going to be the clé de terrain. We're going to hold the walls up. We think. It's about scheduling. We'll see. Welcome to France.
So, like, subscribe,
exactly.
boot
Right.
that button, all of those things you have to do, and then we'll see you next week.
Tout à l'heure.
It's a new day for me and you. It's a new day for me, it's true. It's a new day for me and
Lucy. Oh my
you.
cows.